Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are combining two of the best things that you can get at a county fair without risking motion sickness. I'm using some frozen apples that I fixed last fall, just cutting them up really fine. You could use fresh apples here or canned apples if you don't have those. Now on to our apple fritter batter. It's basically just funnel cake batter. If you hadn't guessed it by now, that is one of the best things that you can get at a county fair. And we're starting with about a cup and a half of self-rising flour here. To that, we are going to add a quarter cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Whisk together all of your dry ingredients here and then add a couple of tablespoons of melted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and way too much milk right here. I would probably start with a half a cup. I had to add some flour to this, and you're just looking for like some really thick pancake batter. And when you get that, you can dump your apples in and incorporate them into the batter too. While my oil is heating up to fry these things up, we're going to make a little caramel sauce. I've got a half a stick of melted butter. I've got a quarter cup of brown sugar and a quarter cup of milk. I'm just going to mix that in and stick it in the microwave for a minute. Once your oil comes up to temp, I just take a spoon and dip this batter in just like really big hush puppies. And these are going to cook 3 or 4 minutes aside, and you'll need to flip them and take them to golden brown or maybe just a little bit past that. Be sure to stir your caramel every time you take it out of the microwave. It needs to cook in 1 minute intervals because it can get away from you. Just make sure that it's not forming any crystals up around the edge. And once your apple fritters are done cooking, just take them out and put them on a paper towel and then drizzle some of that caramel sauce. Mine wound up going about 3 minutes before it was just about perfect for pouring. And yeah, I know these things look like fried chicken, but they taste amazing. Make sure you give them a try, and thanks for watching, guys.